So in today's video, we're going to look at the round function in Microsoft Excel VBA. So this could apply to Microsoft Excel. You could also use it in Outlook, Word, Access especially. This round function is for VBA. So here I've got some VBA already written. I've got a tab here where I've got some random numbers written down. And then what I have here is I have code that's just going to loop through. And then it's going to enter the value based on the worksheet function. So all this is doing is emulating the worksheet function. It is not something unique to VBA. You could just do, let's say for this one, you could just do equals round, comma 4. This would be the exact same thing as if you actually entered it through here. So there is no difference. So let's just run this entire code and we'll see how it comes out. So here you see round. When this is rounding to the nearest digit. It is not rounding up or down. It is just rounding to the nearest digit. So this is rounding to 4, rounding to 3, rounding to 2, 1, and 0. So you can see that this rounded up because, of course, 0.5, you usually round up. But when we get to round down, you can actually force it to round down. So let's say that you were collecting a sales tax amount. You can't just round up because that you don't have the sales tax from the individual. You would have to round down in that case. So there is a round down function. Obviously, you'd be going to 2 digits at that point. And then there's round up where it will force the round up. So all of these numbers, again, I'll display the code here so you can see it, are using the worksheet function to round. And then you can do any number of digits that you want to round to. And then you can see the different variations that come out. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.